Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off vibrates when other party answers or hangs up. That means when other party answers means when you make outgoing call, other party will answer your call. At the time you will receive one vibration. That is, you can ensure that other party answered your call. Okay, so that is attended your call. Okay, while pressing answer call, you will experience at the same time you will experience vibration. Okay, so if you would like to turn off that vibration, yes, you can do it. First I show how it occurs. Okay, I make a call to other person. Okay, call is going now. Okay, this call will be attended by other person. Okay, so here I am attending. Yes, when attending this call I experience small vibration. So to turn off this vibration, just go to settings of your phone, go to settings, then go to sounds and vibration, and go to vibrates when other party answers or hangs up. Hangs up means if they decline the call, that too you will experience vibration. Okay, just to turn off this button so that you will not get any vibration hereafter if you make a call and if your outgoing call is attended by other party. Okay, yes, attended this call, but I don't have any vibration. So in this way you can easily turn off vibrates when other party answer your calls or hangs up. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.